안녕하세요. 이번 시간에 10개 단어는 환자를 돌보다, 중장비를 작동하다, 다른 나라 말로 말하다, 트럭을 몰다, 부품을 조립하다, 집을 팔다, 옷을 바느질하다, 최고 경영자, 최고 재무관리자, 최고 기술 담당자. 이해해요? 지금부터 각 단어를 영어로 뭐라고 하는지 원어민 발음으로 들어볼 거예요. 어떻게 발음되는지 주의해서 들어보세요.
The health literacy interventions can therapeutically assist patients
with carers being allowed to visit during meal times to assist patients with the
providing those Auslan interpreters in a timely fashion to assist patients and their families.
Let government bureaucrats operate heavy machinery.
With motorcycles, we see it with people who operate heavy machinery.
Do not operate heavy machinery warning is on the back of many cold medications.
Function if they can't speak another language.
Great. It's awesome to speak another language.
For the majority of young people who don't necessarily speak another language or dialect.
With a pause, you could drive a truck through.
Yeah, if you drive a truck up to the landfill, they're going to...
Synthetic biologists seek to assemble components that are not.
And then to assemble the components and...
Now, I would assemble all my components.
Advice is to when to buy and sell houses.
Lots of realtors they just sell houses.
And pressure local realtors to sell houses to...
You make shoes or you sew clothes.
And my mother taught us to sew clothes.
Sew clothes for kids, nothing for black women.
The ethics of the question. If I were a CEO, take of a company like Apple.
What I'd like to do is talk about a couple of episodes in your service as CEO, which...
He reports directly to the Chief Executive Officer.
Angela is the Chief Executive Officer of
On November 13th, Jeffrey Rosen, the Chief Executive Officer of the National Constitution Center.
And behavior. Right. You know, I can go back to the product team and say, hey, the CFO.
Absolutely, because he's like the CFO of this small coffee company.
What I think about is how that CFO translates to...
As Chief Executive Officer of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Dr. Desmond Hill.
Doing here, we have an incredible Chief Financial Officer.
Marketing Officer at Workday, and Robin Cisco, who is the Chief Financial Officer at Workday.
Pointing out something that Megan Smith, who's our current CTO,
co-founder and Chief Technical Officer of Weebly.
Prior to that, I was the Chief Technical Officer of Zoo.
And they're hiring a fantastic new Chief Technical Officer.
다음은 안 보고 말하는 연습이에요. 눈을 감고 한글과 영어를 모두 큰 소리로 따라해 보세요. 이런 걸 쉐도잉이라고도 해요.
51뜻 환자를 보살피다.
In English, assist patients.
52. 뜻 중장비를 작동하다.
In English, operate heavy machinery. 53.
뜻 다른 나라 말로 말하다.
In English, speak another language. 54.
뜻 트럭을 몰다.
In English, drive a truck. 55.
뜻 부품을 조립하다.
In English, assemble components. 56.
뜻 집을 팔다.
In English, sell houses. 57.
뜻 옷을 바느질하다.
In English, sew clothes. 58.
뜻 최고 경영자.
In English, CEO or Chief Executive Officer. 59.
뜻 최고 재무관리자.
In English, CFO or Chief Financial Officer or Chief Fund Officer. 60.
뜻 최고 기술 담당자.
In English, CTO or Chief Technical Officer.
참 잘하셨어요. 그럼 이제 마지막 단계로 지난 시간에 배운 단어들을 같은 방식으로 복습해 볼게요.
1뜻 교실.
In English, classroom. 2.
뜻 수업.
In English, lesson. 3.
뜻 대학 강의.
In English,
lecture. 4.
뜻, 선생님.
In English, teacher. 5.
뜻, 대학 교수.
In English, professor. 6.
뜻, 선생님용 책상.
In English, teacher's desk. 7.
뜻, 팔걸이가 있는 의자.
In English, armchair. 8.
뜻, 칠판.
In English, blackboard. 9.
뜻, 텔레비전 세트.
In English, television set. 10.
뜻, 벽시계.
In English, clock. 11.
뜻, 학생용 책상.
In English, student's desk. 12.
뜻, 학생.
In English, student. 13.
뜻, 컴퓨터.
In English, computer. 14.
뜻, 팔걸이가 없는 의자.
In English, armless chair. 15.
뜻, 게시판.
In English, bulletin board. 16.
뜻, 지도.
In English, geographical map. 17.
뜻, 시각자료.
In English, visual aids. 18.
뜻, 책장.
In English, bookcase. 19.
뜻, 지구본.
In English, globe. 20.
뜻, 교육기관.
In English, educational institute. 21.
뜻, 유치원.
In English, kindergarten. 22.
뜻, 초등학교.
In English, elementary school or primary school. 23.
뜻, 중학교.
In English, middle school. 24.
뜻, 고등학교.
In English, high school. 25.
뜻, 대학교.
In English, university or college. 26.
뜻, 대학원.
In English, graduate school. 27.
뜻, 학교 아니고 짝꽃.
In English, places in a school. 28.
뜻, 강당.
In English, auditorium. 29.
뜻, 식당.
In English, cafeteria. 30.
뜻, 도서관.
In English, library.
31뜻, 체육관.
In English, gym or gymnasium. 32.
뜻, 운동장.
In English, playground or field. 33.
뜻, 교장실.
In English, principal's office. 34.
뜻, 교무실.
In English, teacher's room or staff room. 35.
뜻, 상담실.
In English, counselor's room. 36.
뜻, 양호실.
In English, school infirmary. 37.
뜻, 과학실.
In English, science room. 38.
뜻, 미술실.
In English, art room. 39.
뜻, 교과목들.
In English, subjects. 40.
뜻, 국어.
In English, Korean or language art.
41뜻, 영어.
In English, English. 42.
뜻, 수학.
In English, math or mathematics. 43.
뜻, 도덕.
In English, moral education. 44.
뜻, 사회.
In English, social studies. 45.
뜻, 과학.
In English, science. 46.
뜻, 체육.
In English, PE or physical education. 47.
뜻, 음악.
In English, music. 48.
뜻, 미술.
In English, art or fine art. 49.
뜻, 실과
In English, practical course. 50.
뜻 컴퓨터로 일하다.
In English, work on a computer.
오늘도 수고 많으셨어요. 그럼 다음 시간에 꼭 다시 만나요.
I'll be back.